This video is about the distributive property of multiplication over addition. Here's the problem. I have A times B plus C, and we can see the B plus C is in parentheses. Here's what I do. I do A times B and A times C, and I get the answer is AB plus AC. And the whole problem's done. That's all there is to it. Now, let's do this problem. Let's say I have A times B plus C plus D. Here's what I do. I do A times B, then A times C, and then A times D. So I get AB, A times B is AB, plus AC, plus AD. And again, that's all there is to it. The whole problem's finished now. Let's say I have this, A plus B times C plus D. I'm going to do A times C, AC, and A times D, then B times C and B times D. That's what I'm going to do. What do I get? I get AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. And again, that's all there is to it. It's finished now. Now, let's say we have this. Let's say we have A plus B, then times C plus D plus E. I'm going to do AC, A times C, A times D, and then A times E. Then I'm also going to do B times C, B times D, and B times E. Here's what I get. AC plus AD plus AE plus, now we're going to do all the B's, right? A plus BC plus BD plus BE. And that whole problem is finished. That's all there is to it. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like when we have to think about things like combining like terms and when we have numbers and letters together. Here's a simple one. It's going to be A plus 2 times A plus 3. So I'm going to do basically the same thing. I do A times A, then A times 3, then 2 times A, and then 2 times 3. Here's what I get. I get A squared, A times A is A squared, plus A times 3, which is 3A, plus 2 times A, which is 2A, plus 2 times 3, and 2 times 3 is just 6. But here's the thing, I'm not finished yet because I have these two like terms. Here's what I'm going to get as the final answer. A squared plus 5A plus 6. Now, distribution is one of the most important skills you're going to learn. You're going to use it in all parts of math, algebra, calculus, everything, a lot. I mean, use it a whole bunch. You're going to see a million problems like this, both at Vora Method and in your school classes if you go to school, or in your homeschool curriculum if you're homeschooled. You're going to see this a lot. Try to remember this as well as you can, and if you do forget it, it's no big deal. We'll just have you redo the worksheet and rewatch this video.